So, being the most plugged in, you're the most plugged in Rough Rider to social media?
Probably, you know, I fiddle with everything. You know, I'm on Facebook, I'm on Twitter. Hold my microphone. I'm on Facebook, Twitter, you name it, I'm on.
Why do you do that?
Just so the fans know the real me. You know, like, I hate when you do interviews and like, you know, everything you gotta talk about is using your answers are politically correct. So this is a chance for everybody to know the real Taz. It's coming from me, they get to see it.
Did they get to know the real Taz?
Oh yeah, you know, I give them what they want. You know, I don't really go too far with things, you know, because you're always being judged when you're in the media. So I give them as much as I can.
So you got into a little bit of a Twitter war with Nick Lewis before. Is that something you have to watch it because people don't realize it's good-hearted?
You know, no. Actually, when I war with Nick, I don't really care what people think when I'm having Twitter war with Nick. You know, it's all out of fun, but sometimes he can get a little serious. You know, and if he gets serious, so be it. You know, he's not a good friend of mine. You know, I can care less if he's my friend or not.
You have 14 players on Twitter, though. That's a lot.
Yeah, it is. You know what it is. I mean, I guess people like to hear what I got to say. I like to see what I have to say.
And what's your best tweet? Do you have a best tweet?
Best tweet? No, I don't have a best tweet. I tweet so much, and I have no idea. Like sometimes.
Yeah, he's learning right there. What is your best tweet, sir? We're gonna need you to answer the question. Answer the question.
When the river flows, so goes the salmon.